Spice launches I Feel Away challenge and Shenseea new business is already booming. Stick around. Full breakdown of these stories coming right up.
St. Vincent.
Yeah, man, St. Vincent.
Okay. Alright,
God, big up yourself, man.
Guys over there.
Lights gone.
Bombard. So, man, go check see if I wire jump off high voltage if me or go check the breaker.
Bye.
No, man, me not ready for come off high light yet. Don't tell me bye. Somebody go check the light voltage here. No, don't tell me bye yet. Don't come off high light.
Reg.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So from one day when Spice go on her live and she say I feel away, me telling say those stick people because you know what I mean that are going all about over the net right now. So for the people them wanna remember or not know what go on, here's a little refresher video. Listen what Spice say.
I nah lie, I just reach home. But me have one thing to say before I go to my bed. Walmart, I feel away. I feel away, Walmart. I feel away. I feel away.
Yeah, people, so Spice got Walmart the other day and them a give her some trouble because she da spend a lot of cash and she a tell Walmart say she feel away. Them a beg her no feel no way, but she feel away. So that have just for people them where if for the first time them a hear the story or they don't know what go on, right? So today now she launched a challenge, official challenge, and she said, Feel Away challenge is on. Let's clear some things off our chest. Make your own video and let me know what makes you feel away. Use hashtag #SpiceFeelAway so I can post your feelings for you with a laughing emoji, right? But there was one person who already did a video before Spice post this. I say, so we can say I am officially start the I Feel Away challenge. And this is Raul Blaze. So you can follow him on Instagram at Raul Blaze. So let's take a look at Raul I Feel Away challenge video. Here goes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna share something with Uno and tell me if I'm alone, right? So I just went into Walmart and I was bought in many things because from my Spice I'm have up my money. Yeah, them things in my buy. Them big things in my Walmart. Anyway, me and my friend, right? 3 trolley. We have 3 trolley I go through the supermarkets now. By the time I reach the counter now, I take out the money. She had enough money we I spend, but she my Spice I'm have up my money. Yeah, she never know me like some regular black girl she think me was. She called for the lady over the other part. Some says the lady one black lady from where from Jerusalem I come. I look at the $50 but this doesn't look like the regular $50. So I take out one bag of $50 gear. You understand? She started to me to crowd that come here now. Please don't feel away. Please don't feel away. Please don't feel away because a game where I play. Lady, me already feel away. Lady, me already feel away because them time yeah, excitement start come on. But you me Spice, I'm have up my money what them don't know, right? So one thing I want to tell Walmart. Walmart, I feel away. Walmart, I feel away. I feel away. I feel away. I feel away.
I feel away. When you see him spell it H-I-G-H. I feel away. You see me I say it's a high feeling. Yeah, but big up Raul Blaze. You see me I say good comedian and can check out him other stuff them, right? Now me see another video on Spice story. And our friend name must tell her say she look like Spice because she do a little TikTok video and that's why it say post a celebrity where people always say you look like. So me I go show you. I want to decide more. I want to comment and tell me she look like Spice or not.
Hey yo, stand next to a picture of a celebrity everybody tells you look like. It don't matter if they ugly or if they valid, you feel me? Show me what you look like, fool.
Yeah, people, so let's talk about Shenseea now. Shenseea is fresh off her social media break. She been back about a day or two. You see me, she take a quick 11 days and look like she reset come with a new energy, people. She just launched her lash business and it a gone. You see me? It a say like hot bread. As she forward somebody give her some money, me see she post this and say, I wake up mad, sad and miserable without anyone knowing and someone literally gave me this as a gift out of the blue. Thank you, that's God, I'm cheered up. So, when you see what go on, you know what I mean? That's just the other day when she forward, you know. But now people are lash, them a sell like hot bread. So, me I go show you what go on. So, first, we have a video with her explain. Here goes.
Hey baby.
You can tell say them name after our song them, right? Which is a creative move for them part. You see me, the fans them already know the song. If you have a favorite song, you can match up your eyelash. But hear what she has say again.
Guys, you can buy it, you know. If you're not a woman, you can just put it up so. On your, you know, your nightstand table. Yeah, your dresser somewhere. And just back it and
So when you hear what Shenseea said, she has said the Shendan them can buy as well, right? I want to know, say Romeich, I go hard for Shenseea anytime Shenseea do anything, cause I'm my marketing boss. So you know, say Romeich in the street with it, like Shenseea said, the man them can buy. So here's some mail as support Shenseea eyelash business. Take a look.
So you have to big up your friend them, you know. You have to big up your real G them and support the artists and support the movement, you know. Big up in my G. You say six Romeich Entertainment outside. Yes, the man buy eyelashes, same can go in and the girl them outside. See it here, Shen. That me a talk about. He done come and say, how much you want? I'm going to say 50 US and the man say, give me 20. Yo, me I tell you people, world thing. Yeah, support is a must. Yeah, and them man in a wear eyelash. Right? Mummy tea.
Yeah, people, so you see what I go on, and you see say Romeich, I run out to my eyelash them. Them man they not sell one pack, them man they sell all 21 time. When you see that, and the people them where buy when you know say obviously man no wear eyelash, so the man them just a support. Like ding dang buy 20, we more do 20, more give to the females them probably. You see me? All them family members and so, and the brother will buy first, me no know who exactly, but you can tell say I want music person, entertainment industry person. But Shenyangs, when you don't buy Shenseea eyelash and then go market and a big farmer man to drop the price in a year, because that video where he make, he might adjust the eyelash business. So here what he must say.
Farmer man, back at it again. Me come to address something. Some of the girls we are coming on the market in a some eyelash. Long from St. Mary to Blood Clot downtown. And some here catching on an ankle. I want to look on the producer and talk about we can't take off something. Only go take off the eyelash then a year because some of them look good. We not take off nothing.
Now, people, I should let you know that that video is totally unrelated to Shenseea eyelash business. Him just do that video there and put on him page. That not nothing to do with Shenseea. I just thought that it's ironic that, you know, me I do the eyelash story. I'm going to see the video today, so me just put it in there. You see me, if you don't laughter, but big up Shenseea business, you know what I mean? I love to see young people doing good things like these and, you know what I mean, Spice Challenge, big up Spice. Let me know who are going to take the challenge. If we go on good, and then I post some good video, I might do a video about it. But you know what I mean, if it's not worth it, I'm not gonna really do it. So if you're gonna do it, challenge them, you know, send them to me Instagram at Dancehall IG and I will post if me like it. People, that's the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself and stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!